We all love plants that can go for more days without asking for water much, redefining the ease of maintenance. Keeping that in mind, here are some spectacular drought-tolerant vines that will go that extra mile without too much fuel. First up is the stunning Bougainvillea. Known for its vivid bracts that look like flowers, this vine thrives with minimal water, needing a deep soak just once every 7 to 10 days. Imagine a week without watering worries. Next, meet the Trumpet Vine. With its spectacular flowering prowess, this vine will make you the envy of any gardener. It proudly goes 8 to 9 days between watering sessions. Just water deeply once a week and you're set. If you're looking for something even more resilient, the cat's claw vine stretches the limits, requiring water only every 10 to 12 days after a good soak. Star jasmine and Carolina jessamine bring fragrance and color to your garden. While star jasmine fills the air with its scent for 7 to 8 days without needing water, Carolina jessamine dazzles with big, sunny flowers, staying hydrated for about a week. Don't overlook the silver lace vine, a stunning companion with its white flowers and dark green leaves, staying refreshed for 7 to 8 days. And the versatile black-eyed Susan vine, perfect for arbors or containers, can go up to 9 days without a sip. Cape honeysuckle will captivate you with its vibrant clusters of orange flowers, asking for water only once a week. For those who love lush foliage, English ivy, an evergreen champion, remains perky with just occasional watering. Last but not least, the climbing aloe, a unique succulent climber which can go nearly 2 weeks without watering, thanks to its superb water storage capabilities. A quick tip to extend the time between waterings: consider mulching. A 1 to 2 inch thick layer of mulch helps retain soil moisture, especially in warm climates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening!